Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can get data and how we can get the internet when you're going to travel in Greece, and what in my opinion is the best way how we can get internet in Greece. So the first way how we can do it is you're going to use My Mobile. You're going to have a link down below in the description with the discounts and everything. And My Mobile is an eSIM provider. That means that you don't have to get actually like the physical SIM card. What is going to be enough for you is just get an eSIM. All you have to have is a compatible phone with eSIM card. And how does it work? So in the search here, I'm going to write Greece. Press enter. Greece eSIM. And right here, you can choose if you want to have 10 days, 15 days, or 30 days of data. So let's say I'm going to have 10 days of data, and you're going to have 10 gigabytes for 13 USD. So let's say 10 gigabytes for 10 days. Pretty good. Activate now. And here you can change the days, and you can see also right here 10% discount for me to use, and this is the discount. Then you can have the auto recharge off and on, and that's pretty much it how it works. What will happen then is that you're gonna get a QR code to your email that you have to scan and activate the eSIM, and that's it. It's nothing difficult, nothing hard. And I even made a tutorial on how we can activate it, so that's how it works. Now, this is the first way. The second way how we can do it is you can use Airalo. Airalo is similar company to My Mobile, and here you're gonna write Greece. Same thing, Greece here, and you're gonna choose how many days you want to have it, 15 days, 7 days, 30 days, and also how much data I want. So let's say here I have 10 gigabytes of data for 10 days for $11.70. Here is, let's say, 15 days for 2 gigabytes, $9. But if I want to go with the same data, I would have to pay $25 in Airalo. So many ways, My Mobile is cheaper comparing to Airalo. So I will click here buy now. And as you can see, they have the network right here. You would click here. And also with the link and with the code, you're going to get discount down below in the description too. And you would pay for it, and also you're gonna get a QR code with Airalo. How does it work is that you can get also, an app, and you can use an app with Airalo if you want to get internet in Greece. So this is another way how we can do it. The third way is to use HelloFly, where I'm going to write here Greece. And here you can get also calls. So for 5 days, or let's say 7 days, is a little bit more expensive. Yes, you can have unlimited data, but the huge benefit is that with HelloFly, you're gonna have options to have a calls too. So that's something that I recommend to test out too if you want to. My recommendation, if you want to have data and unlimited data, go with My Mobile. If you want to use Airalo, it's a little bit more expensive, so we don't have to really use it. But if you want to have unlimited data, but also you want to have calls, you can use HelloFly. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.